In 2021, we found a house, a fixer-upper on Facebook Marketplace that changed our lives. So hopefully this channel can be a resource to others. So let's get started. So I'm always searching the internet and I feel like I come across so many opportunities that I just want to share. So I found this vending machine business. And the thing I like about this is that it comes with a location. So this vending machine is already in a location that's making money. It's in Columbia, Maryland. They selling it for 5,000, and it was listed 10 weeks ago, but it's still available. They have the sales report, so you can see how much income this business is bringing in at this location, which a sales report you should get from any business that you're buying. But the great thing about this is I love that it comes with a location, and I think this is a great starter business. The second business I found is a hot dog cart. I think this is also a beginner friendly business. It's in Reynoldsburg, Ohio. This is 4,500 they're asking for. It was listed a week ago, but it's still available. They have a large pan for boiling the hot dogs. So this is a unique opportunity to own your own business. This mobile cart comes with onboard hot water. So it looks like it comes with everything you would need. Now I don't know anything about running a hot dog cart, but it looks like it comes with everything you would need. You just check your county for permits and licenses and see what insurance you need to run a business like this. But with any business, there's going to be things you need to invest in. And this here is a dessert cart, so like an ice cream cart. And I got this idea from a video I recently watched on Cody Sanchez channel. It was a lady selling popsicles that she actually makes at home using just 3 ingredients, which is fresh fruit, sugar, and water. She said her cost is between 60 and 70 cents to make the ice creams, and she's selling these ice creams for $4. This cart is 1200. Is in Detroit, Michigan. And I think this is also a great first time business. Of course, look into licensings and permits and things you would need. And this is a second one. This is another ice cream cart I found. This one is going for just $800. This one is in Marietta, Georgia. And how cute is this cart? So you're going to be making these ice creams. You're going to sit outside of businesses, and businesses would actually pay you to come to events if they having something. You can promote yourself by making an Instagram page or making some TikTok videos and showing yourself making the ice creams. This is a third one that I found. This one, the price is starting at $400. and this one is in Ohio. So Royalton, Ohio. And they have, look like they have so many different carts. So I think this is like a great business, starter business, and you just making these ice creams at home, fresh fruit, sugar, and water. And of course, just check the permits, check everything you would need, license, insurance, and you will want those things because you want to do this thing legit. And most businesses, you need some kind of insurance and things of that nature. But this one is a great business opportunity. So this next business is, I found this X2P2 laser cutter. It's selling for $2,500. This is in Fresh Meadows, New York. Listed 3 days ago, but they said it's been barely used. Fire safety kit that comes with it has never been opened. I have one of these machines myself. I make all types of things with this machine. And I have an Etsy store where I sell stuff and an eBay store. These machines are great. And the thing about this X2P2 laser, you can also cut not just wood but acrylic. You make things like keychains, you can make things like Christmas ornaments. I mean, the list goes on and on. There's so many things you can make with this machine. Now, I paid over $4,000 for my machine, but this one is only $2,500, which I think is a really great deal. So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you would consider any of these businesses or which one was your favorite or least favorite. Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Until next time.